tower is located in your suite, which highlights emergency exit procedures in case your suite door is jammed in the closed position.
And now you can enjoy that blockbuster you picked out from your 4,000 plus entertainment options on your Oryx One.
Please carry all electrical goods with lithium batteries in your cabin bag. This includes power banks and any spare batteries. All electronic devices must be disconnected from in-seat power during taxi, takeoff and landing. Please take care not to let them fall down the side of the seat. And if you notice any device overheating, please notify a member of the cabin crew immediately. For more information, please visit QatarAirways.com.
Cabin proceeds for departure.
By law.
Careful opening that overhead locker. Think might fall out. Race position.
Don't move, lads. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the appropriate brace position.
War. Now imagine these are seats in front of you. Then you perform this brace position. Or what if you're facing backwards in premium cabin? Perfect. Ah, there's a really good atmosphere in here, guys. Why is that, Rob?
That's because the cabin environment's carefully controlled, coach.
Tell them.
But if oxygen is required, masks will appear from above you. Or you may be required to release the mask by pulling on the coloured flag marked pull. Pulling the mask towards you will activate the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, adjust the band to secure it, and breathe normally. When your mask is fitting correctly, then you may assist others.
So, your life jacket is either beside you, next to you, or underneath your seat. Lewandowski, come and join me.
When instructed by the crew, remove it from its container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate your life jacket after leaving the aircraft by pulling the two red toggles sharply downwards.
No, don't do it! Wait until you're outside!
You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. The life jacket has a whistle to attract attention and a light that will automatically illuminate when in water. Infant life jackets will be distributed by cabin crew.
Rob, you better run the phone while I get this lot sorted out.
To help with final preparations for takeoff, please ensure your seat is in the fully upright position. Your window blind is up, your tray table is folded up, and your seatbelt is fastened. Is that okay?
You mentioned the Q3 coach.
Actually, Rob, I felt it deserved its own moment and its own star. Mr. Neymar, if you could just pick up the below the camera. No, the other thing. Take it away.
The Q3 door will be locked in the open position by the crew. It should
taxi, pick up and then... That's great, right. Okay. You've seen the film, now read the card. You'll find it in the seat pocket. Get a grip.
For safety reasons, with the exception of handheld PEDs in flight mode, the use of electronic devices is not permitted for takeoff and landing. Such devices must remain switched off until advised by cabin crew. Please remove all devices from charging ports for takeoff and landing. If you drop your personal electronic device inside your seat, please do not operate the seat controls. Instead, contact a member of cabin crew for assistance.
Thank you, Rob. So, what's next?
Emergency exits coach.
Come on, lads. Gather round.
Please take a moment to locate the emergency exits near your seat. Emergency exits are clearly marked and located as shown. Escape pod lighting will guide you to the emergency exit. In case of emergency landing on water, evacuation slides will serve as rafts. And please remember to remove all high-heel shoes before using the slide and leave all hand baggage behind.
Perhaps you should just talk us through the smoking bit.
Belt fastened and visible to cabin crew.
No, no.
Offside.